Good morning all students. Today we will discuss our revision of your exercise 2.3. In exercise students 2.1 already we discussed that what are the standard form of the polynomial, how we will identify that the given algebraical expression is a polynomial or not. Then after classification of polynomial based on its degree and based on its terms. Now there is standard form and graphical representation. After that, how we will finding out the zeros, whether that is zero or not. Now today lecture we will discuss the remainder theorem. So before remainder theorem, firstly we will discuss the long division algorithm. Okay, students, we will discuss long division algorithm. So in long division algorithm, dividend is equals to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. And if students, here we consider let dividend is equals to p of x, divisor is equals to z of x, quotient is equals to q of x, and remainder is equals to r of x. So if student r of x is equals to 0, then what we can say, divisor is a factor or divisor is a multiple of dividend, meaning is that z of x is a factor of p of x. So students, when you can say that the divisor is a factor of the dividend, if after division a remainder will come 0, then we can see that the divisor is a factor of the dividend. Understand students? So on the behalf of long division algorithm, how we will check whether that the divisor is a factor of dividend or not? Factor है या नहीं है? Meaning remainder 0 आ रहा है. If a remainder will come 0, then yes, the divisor is a factor of the dividend. And if remainder not will come 0, then we can say that fact that divisor is not a factor. Now we will discuss one question. Question is that simple question: divide p of x equal x cube plus 1 by z of x equal x minus 1. Find q of x and r of x. You will find out its quotient and its remainder. So before division, firstly we will check whether the dividend and divisor powers are in descending order or not. Students, क्या चेक करोगे? डिविडेंड और डिवाइजर की पावर है क्या वो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है या नहीं? So here power 3 then constant, yes, in descending order. Here power 1 and constant, that is also in descending order. Now we can divide. X minus 1 x cube plus 1. Simple division तो आपने पहले ही perform कर रखे. After that students, here what is the first term of that one? Dividend x cube. What is the first term of the divisor? X. So now we will divide the first term of dividend to the first term of divisor. Divide करो students. X cube divided by x power 1. X power 3 minus 1 is equals to x power 2. Power will go upper side, then sign will change. So here what we will write down, x square. Now x square is multiply with that whole bracket. Multiply x square multiply x cube. Positive negative positive. X square multiply minus 1 minus x square. But students, here upper side any x square term is present here? No. क्या upper side x square term present है? No. So where we will write down? We will write down forward. Just forward here x square. Negative sign change positive cancel out. After x cube descending में चाहिए अपने को तो according to rule. So after x cube we will write down the x square term. X square plus 1. Again divided the first term of the divisor, dividend to the divisor. Again divide करो x square divided by x1, that is x power 2 minus 1, which will come x power 1. Sign positive, so put here plus x. Now again x multiply that whole bracket x square, then here minus 1, negative positive cancel, then here what will come x plus 1. Now up to till or until where, up to till when we will perform the division, if the yes division method. Okay, first of all we will divide the, before division we will check whether that dividend and divisor both are in descending power or not. आपको क्या चेक करना स्टूडेंट्स? उनकी पावर डिसेंडिंग फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. सो हियर x power 3 plus 1 also in descending form. Here g of x power 1 minus 1 also in descending form. First rule is complete. Second, now we will divide. In division, firstly we will divide it the first term of dividend to the first term of divisor. Dividend की first term को divisor की first term से क्या करोगे? Divide करोगे. So what is the first term of the dividend? X power 3. Here x power 3 divided by x, what will come? X square. X square whole bracket से multiply होगा. X square multiplies 1 x cube. Negative positive negative. X square multiply minus 1 minus x square. Why we will write down the next term? Because upper side no one term is present of a x square. That's why. Sign change x square plus 1, then same procedure we will do. Now up to till long division is performed if the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of that one. इसकी डिग्री क्या आ रही है आपकी? ग्रेटर आ रही है, इसकी स्मॉलर आ रही है, then we cannot perform the division. इक्वल में भी परफॉर्म होगा बट इसकी डिग्री ग्रेटर आ रही है, इसकी डिग्री स्मॉलर आ रही है, then we cannot perform. So here degree is equal, then also will perform. Plus its first term is x divided by x cancel, then 1 plus 1. 1 multiply होगा तो क्या बनेगा? x minus 1, negative positive cancel. What is the remainder? Remainder will come 2. So quotient is x square plus x plus 1 and remainder is 2 will come. Now students, using long division algorithm, how we will verify your answer? So verification. So in verification process, we will finding out the right hand side, which is equals to RHS is equals to g of x multiply q of x plus r of x. What is the g of x here? X minus 1, that x square plus x plus 1 plus 2. Product x complete multiply होगा whole bracket से. So x is product with x square plus x plus 1. Minus also multiplying with whole bracket. So minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 plus 2. Product x square multiply x cube plus multiply 1 by 1 x square plus x minus x square minus x minus 1 plus 2. All you know students the rule, if outside the bracket negative sign is present, then their inside sign will change. Now x cancel, x square cancel. So what we will obtain here, x cube 2 minus 1 plus 1 which is equals to p of x. That is verified. Understand students? So question ये होगा आपका using long division method, find the quotient and remainder, whether the divisor is a factor of a dividend or not. If yes, if not, then find out the remainder and verify your answer. So students, how you will verify your answer? Using long division algorithm. Understand students? Any problem? And all always the degree of the divisor is equals to or lesser than the degree of the dividend, then remainder will come, otherwise we cannot perform the division. Okay, so always degree of, yes, क्वेश्चन लेते हैं ना, degree of g of x is always lesser than or equals to the degree of p of x, या तो क्या होगी इसके इक्वल होगी या फिर उससे स्मॉलर होगी, then we can perform the division. Understand students? Now we'll discuss the next question in which the dividend and divisor not given in the form of a descending power, then how we will rearrange it. Question is, divide p of x equal x cube minus 8x plus 4x square minus 7 by z of x 1 minus x square. You will divide and find the quotient and the remainder. So students, how we will find out the quotient and the remainder? Find q of x and r of x. Quotient find out करना आपको और remainder find out करना है. So here p of x dividend is x cube minus 8x plus 4x square minus 7. Here the power of the dividend is in descending order, no? So we will rearrange in descending order. How? The highest power is x cube. After power cube square, write down with sign, plus 4x square. Then minus 8x minus 7. Meaning is that just we will rearranging the position. We will change the position. Sign change नहीं होगा, only position change करेंगे. Second, z of x equal 1 minus x square. Highest power is x square with sign, so minus x square minus x plus 1. Now we will divide. Minus x square minus x plus 1 is divided with x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 7. Divide. Its first term is x cube. Dividend first term is x cube and divisor first term is minus x square. X power 3 minus 2 minus, then minus x power 1. Sign negative downside. So here what will come? Minus x. Multiply, complete bracket, minus से multiply होगा तो क्या बनेगा? X cube. Minus x multiply minus x plus x square. All you know. Then we will write down the downward term of the like to the downward term. Like term के downward like term write करेंगे. Minus x multiply 1 minus x. Negative, negative, positive cancel. 4. If nothing coefficient is given, then what we will put? 1. 4x square minus 1x square. So always in the addition or in the subtraction of algebraical expression, we will add or subtract only the coefficient of its variable. Variable के coefficients को add करते हैं and we will subtract. So 4 minus 1, 3 x square as it is. 8 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7x minus 7. Again divide 3x square divide by minus x square, cancel, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 multiply with whole bracket, so minus 3 multiply that one, 3x square minus x minus 3 plus 3x plus into minus minus 3 negative negative positive, cancel, minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Now students, here degree is x square, here degree is 2, degree is 1, the division is follow, we can't perform the division. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, division perform नहीं, because यहाँ पे क्या है, इसमें x है और यहाँ पे क्या है, x square है, so we cannot perform the division. यहाँ पे क्या है, देखो रिमाइंडर की जो डिग्री है वो स्मॉलर है और इसकी ग्रेटर है, so we cannot perform the. So what is the q of x students? Quotient is minus x minus 3, or we can write down minus bracket x plus 3. And what is the remainder? Minus 10x minus 4, which is equals to minus plus 10x plus 4. Understand students? Students having any problem? No? Now we will discuss the remainder theorem, okay? Directly questions are based on the remainder theorem. So students, long division is the basic building of polynomials over algebraical expression, algebra. Till जब तक आप स्टडी करोगे 10th क्लास 11th क्लास 12th क्लास देन आफ्टर कॉलेज लेवल, उसमें क्या है, अगर आप मैथ्स स्टडी कर रहे हो, मैथ्स या साइंस ले रहे हो, तो इसमें क्या बेसिक आपका लॉन्ग डिवीजन, किसी भी टाइप का लॉन्ग डिवीजन आपको आना ही चाहिए. Now next we will discuss the remainder theorem. Okay, what is the remainder theorem students? Let p of x be any polynomial of a degree greater than or equal to 1, whose degree is greater than degree of p of x is greater than or equals to 1, and let be any real number, कोई भी real number हो सकता है. If px is divided by a linear polynomial x minus 1, then the remainder is p of a. Okay, so here p of x is a polynomial is given and it is divided by x minus a. Students, p of x completely किससे divisible है, x minus a, then p of a is its remainder. Meaning is that directly how we will finding out the remainder, जो आपको क्या गिवन है, डिवाइजर गिवन है, डिवाइजर को स्टूडेंट किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे, वी विल पुट द डिवाइजर इज इक्वल्स टू 0, डिवाइजर को 0 के इक्वल पुट करोगे, then after x value will come, that x value directly we will substitute the in given dividend, that is the remainder. Understand? Now we will discuss one question based on remainder theorem, that is find remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Already students here given to you, that is divided by x minus 1 means completely divisible, completely divisible है. then find the remainder. So how we will finding out the remainder? First of all, what is the divisor here? Here p of x is x power 4 x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. And what is the z of x? X minus 1. So to calculate the remainder using the remainder theorem, first of all we will put g of x equals to 0. g of x को किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे आप? 0 के इक्वल पुट करोगे. g of x 0. So 0 meaning x minus 1 0. What is the value of x? X value will come 1. So now we will finding out p of x equals to 1. That is the remainder. x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करनी है गिवन डिविडेंट में, दैट इज योर आंसर. सो p of 1 पुट करो. 1 power 4 plus 1 power 3 minus 2 multiply 1 power 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 2 2 4 minus 2, that is 2 will come. So directly we can find out the, understand? Any problem? So with the help of remainder theorem also directly we can check, that is that x minus 1 is a factor of that one or not. If remainder will come 0, then yes, and if remainder will not come 0, then no. So here students, x minus 1 is a factor of that p of x or not? No. So here x minus 1 is not a factor of that. So that are the question based on the remainder theorem. So if dividend is given to you, divisor is given to you, and in question given that is divided by that one, then how we will finding out the remainder using remainder theorem? First of all, we will put the divisor is equals to 0. Divisor को 0 के इक्वल पुट करोगे, then after we will finding out the x value. After finding out the x value, what we will do? That x value we will substitute in given dividend. Then your remainder will come. Understand students? Any problems? So question में आप easily check कर लोगे whether that is a factor or not, or whether not. So if in question not mention, then you can finding out the remainder using long division method also or using remainder theorem also. आप remainder theorem से भी calculate कर सकते हो और आप long division method से भी calculate कर सकते हो. Okay? How x is equals to 1? Yes, the divisor is student here x minus 1. Divisor क्या है? X minus 1. So to find out the remainder using remainder theorem, divisor को किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे? 0 के इक्वल पुट करोगे. So x divisor क्या है? X minus 1 equals to 0. 1 there go positive. So that's why x value will come